children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of chapter 3, subtraction of two digit numbers. Already we started in previous classes. Subtraction means we take away a number from another number. That means we take away small number from the big number. We take away small number from the big number. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Take away, simple words goes to take away. Subtraction means take away. We take away a small number from the big number. Minus, M-I-N-U-S. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Another word is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. Difference is, yes, the answer. The result of subtraction is called difference. In the subtraction, another two names are there. Those are subtrahend, minute. Subtrahend means the number to be subtracted. Minute means, yes, that number goes to subtracted. Subtrahend, that means simple word. Minute means big number. Subtrahend means small number. Difference, answer. Okay? Subtrahend, minute, difference. Subtrahend means the lower number. Minute means upper number. Big number, small number. Big number minus small number, difference. Big number minus small number, we get difference. Okay? Take away. Subtraction means take away one number from the another number. Minus, symbol for subtraction. The result of subtraction is called, yes. Now I show you another example. See, 48 minus 24 equal to 24. This is minute. This is subtrahend. This is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C. That means minute minus subtrahend equal to difference. M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minute, big number. Subtrahend, small number. Answer, difference. Okay? Are you clear about these three words? Okay. Next, subtraction facts. Subtraction facts means rules in the subtraction. Rules in the subtraction. See, that is going to, when we subtract 0 from a number, we get, the value does not change. That means the difference does not change. The answer, we get the same number. Example, when we subtract 0, yes, from a number. When we subtract 0 from a number. When we subtract 0 from a number. Suppose 14 minus 0. We get the same value. Same value means same number. 26 minus 0. Yes, 26. 75 minus 0. 75. The value does not change. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Why? 0 means nothing. That place is empty. That's why we get same number. Big number minus small number, difference. Big number minus small number, difference. Big number minus small number, difference. Another rule. When we subtract the number from itself, when we subtract number from itself, we get 0. Itself means same number. 16 minus 16. Here we subtract number into same number. The answer goes to 0. 38 minus 38. 0. Why we get 0? Here no difference between the given two numbers. First number and second number both are same. We take away number from itself means we take away a same That's why answer is 0. 67 minus 67, 0. Okay? When we subtract a number from itself means same number, the difference goes to 0. Another rule, third rule. Okay? When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer goes to before number of the given number. See that example also. 18 minus 1. We subtract 1 from 18. That means the difference goes to what comes before 18? Very good. 17. 18 before 17. 55 minus 1. What is the difference? Yes, number minus 1, the before number of the given number. 55 before 54. 89 minus 1. What should become? Yes, 89 before 88. These are the rules in the subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is same number. The value does not change. When we subtract a number from itself means same number, we get 0 is the difference. Third rule, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is before number of the given number. These are the rules in the subtraction. Take away, simple word. Subtraction means take away. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Difference, the result of subtraction. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. How do you get difference? Big number minus small number equal to difference. Okay? Subtrahend, minute, difference. Minute means big number. Subtrahend means small number. Difference is answer. These are the rules in the subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. Number from itself means number minus same number. Next, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer goes to before number of the given number. Just before number. Okay, understood the rules? Now I am going to examples. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means simple subtractions. Already I taught you in the previous class. Once again I am going to revise that. Subtraction without regrouping. 56 minus 4. 89 minus 40. 75 minus 25. 94 minus 51. 78 minus 33. Observe all the examples and yes. Ready? First one. 56 minus 4. Ones place, tens place. 2-digit number minus 1-digit number. Subtraction also starts from ones place. 6 minus 4. 6 is more than 4. Subtraction is possible. Using closed fingers. The process starts from closed fingers. 4 after. 5, 6. Stop counting. How many fingers? 2. Right in the ones place. Now no change in the tens place. Bring down tens place number. Now the difference is 52. Come to this. Ones place, tens place. 9 minus 0. The rule goes to number minus 0. Same number. 9. Now subtract tens. 8 minus 4. Same process. Close fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop counting. How many fingers? 4. 4 right in the tens place. Now the difference is 49. 89 minus 40, 49. Next, 75 minus 25. Same numbers. Number, yes, from itself means 0. Now 7 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 5. The difference is 50. Understood? Now come to here. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. Number minus 1. We subtract 1 from the number. That means 4 before. What comes before 4? 3. Very good. Now 9 minus 5. Same process. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4. The difference is 43. First subtract ones, write in the ones place. Next goes to tens place, subtract tens and write in the tens place. Now 78 minus 33. 8 minus 3. 8 is greater than 3. Simple subtraction. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. Now subtract 10. 7 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 4. That means we get the difference. 78 is big number. 33 is small number. Difference is 45. Minute, subtract, difference. These are the without regrouping. Now I am going to show with regrouping. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Regrouping means we are going to changing the numbers and find the difference. This is also, I think I taught in the previous class. Come on, let us see. 64 minus 18. 64 minus 18. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones place. Here 4 minus 8. 4 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Then we are going to using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. That number one number from tens to ones means 10. 10 and 4 make 14. 4 changes into 14. Now 6 becomes, yes, 6 given one number to 4. Then 6 changes into 5. Now 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Okay. Now 14 is big, 8 is small. Now subtraction is possible. Why you are going to using concept of borrowing? 4 is less than 8. It becomes more than 8. That's why we using one number moving from left to right. That means tens place to ones place. Now same process. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6. Write in the ones place. Now come to tens. 6 changes into 5. Here subtraction is 5 minus 1. We subtract 1 from the number. That means what comes before 5? 4. Now what is the difference? 46. This is going to subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping. Another example. Subtract or subtract the following. Find the difference. Do the following problems. All are going to subtract. Solve the following means we look at the symbol. The given symbol goes to minus or plus. See and write and do the sums. Okay? Another example. 72 minus 46. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. 2 is less than 6. You have to observe. Subtraction means upper number should be big, lower number should be small. But here upper number is 2, lower number is 6. 6. 2 is less than 6. The subtraction is not possible. Then using borrowing concept. Borrowing concept means one number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 2 becomes 12. 7 becomes 6. How it becomes 12? From here to here, one number means 10. Why 110? One number means 110. 110 means 10. 10 and 2 make 12. 10 and 2 make 12. Okay? 10 and from tens to ones place, one number means 110. 110 means 10. 10 and 2 make 12. Now subtract. 12 minus 6, close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop counting. How many fingers? 6. 12 minus 6, 6. Now 6 minus 4, close fingers. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. The difference goes to 26. If 0 is in the ones place, how can you do? Come on, see. 90 minus 67. Ones place, tens place. Here subtraction is 0 minus 7. It is possible or not? Not possible. Why? 0 is less than 7. 0 means nothing. Then here also using concept of borrowing. One number moving from tens to ones. 110. 10 and 0 make 10. Now 9 becomes 8. Why? 9 given one number to 0. That's why 9 becomes 8. Now subtraction is possible. 10 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 3. Now tens. 8 minus 6. Here 9 changes into 8, no? 8 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 2. When we are going to using concept of borrowing, at a time you have to change the ones place number and tens place number. Okay? At a time. Don't forget the changing of tens place number. Okay? Are you understood? Understood the concept? Can I give you one more example? Come on, see. 71 minus 45. Ones place, tens place. 1 minus 5. Is it possible? No. Why? 1 is small, 5 is big. Subtraction is big number minus small number. But here 1 is less than 5. Subtraction is not possible. Going to borrowing concept. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 1 becomes 11. 10 and 1 make 11. At a time you have to change tens place number also. 7 becomes 6. Okay? First of all, you have to change ones place number and tens place number with regrouping. Now 11 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 6. We start counting 5 after till we get 11. Now 6 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 2. The difference is 26. 71 minus 45, 26. Are you understood? Now I am going to textbook exercise. Textbook exercise sum. Page number 43. Exercise 3A. Page number 43. Okay? See. Textbook exercise. Okay, ready now? First one. 85 minus 7. 2-digit number minus 1-digit number. 1's place, 10's place. 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Why? 5 is small, 7 is big. Going to concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens to ones. 5 becomes 15, 8 becomes 7. First we have to changing the numbers like this. 15 minus 7. Same process using closed fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. Now here no tens place number, then bring 7 down. Now the difference is 78. Understood? Second problem. 64 minus 29. 64 minus 29. Here also start from 1's place. 4 minus 9 not possible. 4 is less than 9. Borrowing concept. Changing both the numbers at a time. 4 becomes 14. 6 becomes 5. Now 14 minus 9. Close fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 5. 5 right in the 1's place. Now subtract tens. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after. 3, 4, 5. 3. What is the difference? 35. Next one. Third one. 73 minus 5. 73 minus 5. Start from 1's place. 3 minus 5 not possible. 3 is less than 5. Concept of borrowing. 3 becomes 13. 7 becomes 6. Now 13 minus 5. Yes. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8. Now bring down tens place number. The answer goes to, the difference goes to 68. Fourth one. 90 minus 56. 90 minus 56. 0 minus 6 not possible. Borrowing concept. Why? 0 is less than 6. Then one number moving from tens to ones. 0 becomes 10. 9 becomes 8. Now subtraction is possible. 10 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. 8 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 3. The difference goes to 34. Remaining 5, 6, 7, 8. You try it. Okay? I am going to next. Are you understood the concept? Okay. If the upper number is smaller than lower number, we are going to, yes, this is going to subtraction with regrouping. Next one, I am going to next subtraction without regrouping. 1-digit number from 3-digit numbers, 2-digit number from 3-digit number. Okay? 1-digit number from 3-digit number, 2-digit number from 3-digit number. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtract. Examples. 389 minus 4. 1-digit number from 3-digit number. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. We taken away చేస్తున్నాం. Here also start from ones place, same process. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5. Write 5. No need to subtract here. These are empty places. That's why 8 bring down, 3 also bring down. Now the difference is 385. Subtract 1 digit number from 3 digit number. 1 digit number from 3 digit number. Go to next example. 578 minus 2. This is also we subtract 1 digit number from 3 digit number. Start from ones. 8 minus 2. Same process. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 6. Now no tens here. Then bring down upper number, tens place number. Here also no hundreds. Why? This is single digit number. Bring down hundreds place number. The difference goes to 576. Another example. This is going to subtract 1 digit number from 3 digit number. 1 digit number from 3 digit number. Next one. 175 minus 20. 3 digit number minus 2 digit number. We subtract 2 digit number from 3 digit number. 3 digit number is big, 2 digit number is small. Here also start from ones place. 5 minus 0. Yes, very good. Number minus 0, same number. Now subtract 10. 7 minus 2. Yes, same process. Start from here or start from 2. Very good. We start counting 2 after till we get 7. Come on, close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. Now here no hundreds. That's why bring down same hundreds number. Now the difference is 155. 175 minus 20. 155. Another example. 648 minus 41. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start from ones place. 8 minus 1. Number minus 1 before number of 8. What comes before 8? Yes, not 9. 7. Now number minus same number. Here number subtract from itself. 0. No hundreds. Bring down same number. Now the difference goes to 607. Understood? Another example. This is subtraction 2 digit number from 3 digit number without regrouping. 188 minus 56. 197 minus 57. Come on, let us observe. Very easy. Start from ones place without regrouping. Simple subtractions. 3 digit number minus 2 digit number. 2 digit number is small, 3 digit number is big. Start from ones. 8 minus 6. Same process. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 2. The difference is 2 in the ones place. Now go to tens. 8 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. The difference goes to 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Here no 10, no hundreds. Bring down hundreds number. The difference is 132. 188 minus 56, 132. Go to next one. ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here also start from ones place. 197 minus 57. 7 minus 7. Number subtract from itself. That means number minus same number 0. Now comes to tens. 9 minus 5. Possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9. 4. 9 minus 5. 4. Now bring down hundreds number as it is. The difference is 140. This is going to subtraction of 2-digit number from 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay? When the subtraction is possible, yes, upper number is big, upper number is more than lower number, it is possible. If upper number is smaller than lower number, we are going to concept of borrowing, that is without regrouping, with regrouping. This is without regrouping. Without regrouping means no changing of the numbers. Okay, Nana, are you understood? Okay, we continue in the next class. You practice subtraction, simple subtractions, and with regrouping 2-digit number minus 1-digit number, 2-digit number minus 2-digit number. Practice in your rough notes or homework book, and learn tables. 2 table to 7 table. 2 table to 7 table. If you want to learn 8 table also. Okay, my dear children. Thank you very much. Take care.